In this Bitcoin update, we're going to find out, are we going to see a fake out and a breakout towards the upside? Was Bitcoin going to turn around in these regions? We're going to come all the way back down to this major support round about the 25,000 US dollar level. But guys, we have to keep an eye on the price movement because yes, Bitcoin could turn around in these regions and we could see a pump all the way back up to this major resistance. We're going to look at the lower time frames to really find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you always stay up to date. And yes guys, we saw this consolidation and Bitcoin is slowly moving sideways and we didn't decide in any direction at the moment. So guys, let's go on the lower time frames to really find out what we could expect. So on the 4-hour chart, yes, I posted this in my free Telegram group that we could expect some major resistance at the 27,600 US dollars, but Bitcoin came all the way to the levels of 27,500 US dollars where we can see some previous resistance. And yes, we saw this turnaround exactly in these areas, and now we came all the way back down to this major support and also this trend line that we have been forming from the symmetrical triangle. And yes, we can see that the price target from this symmetrical triangle would be all the way back into this major resistance and also back above this major trend line, which is round about the 28,000 US dollar level. But yes, we have to be very careful at the moment because if we're going to lose this major support, we could expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to dump all the way back down to the levels of 25,000 US dollars, but we could see that this support firstly held the price of Bitcoin and we saw this major bounce and we saw this consolidation and the price movement stayed within this range. And then we saw this wick towards the downside, which was bought up very quickly and the price movement stayed within the symmetrical triangle. And at the moment we are seeing this major dump towards the downside exactly back to these levels. So yes, if we're going to see this fake out towards the downside, we really have to keep an eye on these levels because yes, if we're going to close a 4-hour candle underneath the 26,200 US dollars, we could expect that guys, we're going to come all the way back down to this major support. But if we're going to see that the price movement comes back above this range and if we're going to form higher highs and also higher lows, we could expect that the price will come all the way back up into our important zone. Yes, the 28,000 US dollar level. So these levels are really going to be important to determine in which direction we are going to go. But guys, keep in mind, Bitcoin could always turn around and say, this is Bitcoin. We're going to see a massive pump towards the upside. So if you always want to stay up to date, make sure to be in my free Telegram group where I always keep you up to date what is going to happen in the immediate short term. And guys, if you want to find out how to take profits in the crypto market, make sure to watch this video exactly now. And make sure to be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.